Good afternoon, children. Today we are going to learn science class second lesson, food and health. Okay, second lesson, food and health. In this lesson, explanation part is completed, children. Okay, today we are going to learn bit part. Okay, here see children, page number 22. Oral questions. Choose the correct answer. Deficiency of vitamin C causes dengue, night blindness, scurvy. Scurvy. What is the answer? Oral questions though. First one. Oral questions, page number 22 though. First one is scurvy. First one, scurvy. Deficiency of vitamin C causes scurvy. Second one, beriberi is a disease caused by the deficiency of vitamin B1, vitamin C, vitamin A. Which one is correct answer, Nana? Beriberi is a disease caused by the deficiency of vitamin B1. Second one, vitamin B1. Okay. Third one, rickets, anemia, malaria is a disease in which the bones become soft. Which disease in which the bones become soft? Rickets. Third one, rickets. R-I-C-K-E-T-S. Third one answer, rickets. Fourth one, deficiency of iron. Deficiency of iron, iodine, calcium in the body causes goiter. Which one? Iron or iodine? Iodine. Deficiency of iodine in the body causes goiter. Okay, goiter means a gland. It is a gland. It is Brown neck region. Brown neck region. Oral questions are completed. These are the 4 oral questions there. Here page number 22. Okay, next open page number 25. Tick the correct answer. A bit. Tick the correct answer. Tick the correct answer. Tick the correct answer. First one answer C, Nana. To stay healthy, our body needs a balanced diet, books, bread, only milk. Which one is correct answer? A balanced diet. A balanced diet. First one answer, balanced diet. Next, second one. Which of the following is a non-communicable disease? Chickenpox, beriberi, common cold, measles. Which one is beriberi? Beriberi disease is a non-communicable disease. Okay, beriberi. Second one is answer, beriberi. Third one. This disease is caused by a virus. Typhoid, malaria, meningitis, chickenpox. Which one is correct answer? Chickenpox. Third one, chickenpox. Next, fourth one. The spread of communicable diseases can be prevented by spitting, coughing, keeping clean, having medicines. Which option is correct answer? Keeping clean. Keeping clean. Keeping clean. Next, fifth one. Vaccination can protect against diseases like polio, measles, and option A, AIDS, option B, malaria, option C, mumps, option D, fever. Which one? Mumps. Mumps. Option 5 is option C. Fifth bit is option C. Once I repeat you. First one, option A. Second one, option B. Third one, option D. Fourth one, option C. Fifth one, option C. A, B, D, C, C. Okay, next one. Next. Now complete the table. V1, complete the table. Nutrient name and found it. Nutrient found it. Okay. First nutrient name, carbohydrate. Carbohydrates found in cereals, pulses, sweet potato, and sugar. Okay, now next proteins. Proteins found in milk, eggs, meat, pulses. Okay, third one, vitamin A. Vitamin A is found in mango, papaya, tomato, butter, B-U-T-T-E-R, butter. Okay, next vitamin C. Vitamin C is found in citrus fruits, amla, pulses, and leafy vegetables. Okay, next one. While carbohydrates, cereals, pulses, sweet potato, sugar. Proteins found in milk, eggs, meat, pulses. Vitamin A found in mango, papaya, tomato, butter. Vitamin C found in citrus fruits, amla, pulses, leafy vegetables. Okay, next nutrient name. Iron. In this iron found in apples, dates, guavas, and spinach. Okay, iron nutrient found in apples, dates, guavas, spinach. Okay, is complete this table, page number 25, BB. Okay, next one, match the following. Vitamin A, vitamin B1, vitamin C, vitamin D, iodine. Okay, another side, goiter, night blindness, rickets, scurvy, beriberi. Okay, vitamin A, night blindness, vitamin B1, beriberi, vitamin C, scurvy, vitamin D, rickets, iodine, goiter. Okay, now next symptoms kuda nana diseases symptoms kuda meer matching cheyandi ikkada. Okay na, goiter, a gland in the neck region swells up. Night blindness, patient cannot see in dim light. Rickets, bones become soft. Scurvy, bleeding gums. Beriberi affects the nervous system. You can match symptoms also. Okay, next one, fill in the blanks. Okay, fill in the blanks. First blank, our body needs dash protection from diseases, regular exercise, and dash to keep fit. Here given two blanks. First blank, balanced diet. Second blank, enough rest. Okay, second one, our food should have enough dash to get rid of undigested food. Roughage to get rid undigested food. Roughage, ROUGHAGE, roughage. Okay, third blank, we must play dash games to keep our body fit. Outdoor games, we must play outdoor games to keep our body fit. Fourth one, dash and dash are caused by bacteria. Typhoid and meningitis. In these two diseases caused by bacteria. Okay, fifth one. Dash is a virus that attacks the immune system of the patient and leads to death. HIV virus. HIV virus damages the immune system and it leads to death. Are you understand, children? These are the fill in the blanks. First blank, balanced diet and enough rest. Second blank, roughage. Third blank, outdoor. Fourth blank, typhoid and meningitis. And fifth one, HIV. Okay, now? Are you understand, children? You also write in your textbook page number 26, 25 and 22. Okay? Oral questions in 4 oral questions, page number 22. Page number 25, tick the correct option. Complete the table and match the following is it. Next page number 26, fill in the blanks. Okay? Complete in your textbook and learn these spelling.